Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you are doing absolutely well. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, I am just going to talk about how to speak English. In this video, I am just going to talk about how you can learn English speaking. What is the best way that you can learn English speaking? And in this video, I am going to share my experience that in which way I have done in learning English speaking. I have tried every single thing that can help me to improve my English speaking. So in this video, I am going to share everything. So without taking so much time, let's dive into the video. First of all, I just want to tell you, if you are in your initial stage of learning English, you don't need that someone came to you and telling you that this is the best time to speak English. If you are in your initial stage of learning English, you don't need any companion that help you to improve your English speaking. If you are in your initial stage of learning English, you just need to practice English speaking. But you have to remember that you don't need to give any lame excuses every time that I don't have much time, I don't have any companion. If you really want to learn English speaking, you have to work hard. You have to find ways that help you to improve your English speaking. So many people come to me and telling me that how can I learn English speaking? When I am asking them how much time you give it to yourself to practice English speaking, they are silent. They don't have any reason that why they are not learning English speaking. If you really want, if you are thinking that you are watching my videos and you can learn English speaking, there is only one way you can learn from my videos, that you also adopt those things whatever I am telling you in my videos. If you are not going to follow, if you are not practicing English speaking, how can you think that you can learn English speaking? If you are trying to learn English speaking, there is only one way. You have to practice English speaking. And don't give lame excuses every time that I don't know how can I find content in English. I just tell you my thought. I just tell you my way. How can I learn? How can I learn English speaking? In what way I can create a content for me in English? First of all, I just want to show you this. This is the medicine, you can understand. And I just want to tell you, if you really want to learn English speaking, if you really want to know how to start, you can read this. You can read this. What is the meaning? What is the spelling? You can start with this, like calcin, CT, and what thing in mention in this, that is calcitrol, calcium citrate. So you can start from that also. If you really want to learn English speaking, you can start from that also. That help you to create making a habit of reading, that help you to improve your pronunciation, and also help you that you can think in English. And I just want to show you one more thing. You can go in your kitchen and find so many spices. So what you have to do, you just need to read ingredients that mention in English. You can start from that also. That help you to improve your reading. While you have a good reading habit, that also help you. I just want to show you that how much thing mentioned in English in that box. So that is also English content. You don't need to give any every time lame excuses. You can do this from that also. That also help you. I just want to tell you, whenever I have a time, I am just going to read ingredients in English. That really helped me to improve my reading and also help me to improve my vocabulary and my pronunciation. That is the only way I can relate myself. Why while I have to speak in English, I can relate because I have read so many English content, but I don't need anyone. But what difference between you and me, that I am really very serious because I know the importance of English speaking. And I just want to tell you, you can learn from that also. And you don't need to think that someone is with you, that is the only way you can learn English speaking. No, you can learn from your effort also. You don't need someone that can came to you and help you. While you are walking in any street, you can see the hoardings, and you have to read hoardings lines in English. If you mention feel, if you see any hoarding that is in English, you have to read. That is the only initial step towards your English learning. So you have to find ways. No one can came to tell you that this is the best way. But whatever the situation you feel, whatever the situation you can adopt, that is important. And I just want to tell you, whatever I am telling you, just try to adopt. I am definitely sure that you can learn from that also. But you have to practice every single day. You have to make a serious effort. That can, I feel that you have learned so many things. Just mention in a comment box that how much time you give it to yourself to learn English speaking. I have tried everything. I just want to tell you one more thing. You know that I am a business person. I have a hardware and electrical shop. So whenever I have a time, I am just going to read products that mention anything in English. I am just try to read them because I want to make a habit of reading. That every time that help me to improve my English. That is the only way. I am always try to find ways, and I am so many times I am just reading the tools name in English. That also help me while I have to mention that what tools I have to tell you. I know that the tools name in English because I have learned so many tools name in English, because whenever I have time I am just try to do this. I never miss any opportunity that help me to improve my English knowledge. While I have a good knowledge, while I have a so much content that help me to think in English, I definitely speak in English. That really helped me a lot, and I am sure that you can also learn from that also. But you have to practice every single day. And I hope that you like my content, and I am not going to harsh with all of you, but I really want that someone, if any viewers are watching me my English content, I really want that you can learn from my content and you adopt these things that help you to improve your English speaking. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. If you have any query, you don't need to hesitate. Just comment me. I will definitely give you answer. If you are new, please subscribe my channel because I always make a video that is really very helpful for you. To take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.